Hi, this is Tim Santoni and welcome to the show. Today on the tip of the day, I'm going to talk a little bit about making contact with litigated parties. This comes about because there's a recent article about a lawyer that utilized a paralegal to friend a litigant on Facebook. In this situation, the courts found out about it and the lawyer was reprimanded. Today I want to talk about why this is a bad practice on multiple levels and how to avoid this type of situation while still getting the evidence and information that you need. So first off, whether it's a paralegal, a friend, an investigator, friending a litigant on Facebook or other social media is going to tip them off to the fact that someone that they don't know that probably is involved with the litigation is trying to track or record evidence and information about them. So that's a bad move. Number two is if you want to use this information in trial, hearing, mediation, any type of court, you're going to need to substantiate that evidence. So you're going to need a third party to do that. A paralegal who's working for the attorney, their information could be very much called into question because there's a conflict there. In this situation, the law firm that was reprimanded actually listed the paralegal as someone on the witness list, which was just a bad no-no. So if there's information out there on social media that's, say, on Facebook, and the person's profile is private, there are open source information tools that can be used to gain that information without friending the litigant. And this can be done through utilizing an investigator that has skills in that area. This is super important because I think that more and more information that we need in our investigations in a day-to-day situation in family law court, civil court, federal court, criminal court, is going to play a huge role. And so doing this effectively and efficiently and admissibly is super important. So before you start friending people on Facebook and before you decide to engage with a paralegal or investigator, make sure you understand their practices, their ethics, and make sure they're licensed. Thanks so much for tuning into the show. We do a tip of the day every week. Please connect with us in the comments. We look forward to answering one of your questions on a future episode. Thanks.